Hello and welcome back. We are solving some of the advent of code exercises in Rust from 2015. This should be probably a relatively short one. I am not uploading some of these things because I've been running into some issues and those videos has been longer than 1.5 hours, and this should be, I don't know, a top 15 to 20, but hopefully we will solve this one sooner. Yeah, so let's jump into the description, which is relatively short today, which is day 17th of Advent of Code. I already created, the basic whatever things we have to put some function calls here and there. We have some tests as well, and those will spit out what the expected things are. So, day 17, no such thing as too much. Agreed. The elves bought too much eggnog again. 150 liters this time. To fit it in all into your refrigerator, you need to move it into smaller containers. You take an inventory of the capacities of the available containers. For example, suppose you have container size of 20, 15, 10, 5, and 5 liters. You need to store 25 litres. There are 4 ways to do it. Filling all the containers entirely, how many different containers can you exactly fit all 150 liters of eggnog? What? That's interesting. Oh, yeah. So 150 liters is for that puzzle input, and 25 is for that thing. So let's copy and paste all the things. So this should be the prod input. So these should be. I'm not sure if we have duplications. Yeah, we will see. I'm not sure, but it might be the case. Yeah, we have 4 fours. 2 fours. Jesus. So the test should be similar to this one here. This. And we need it for 25. There should be no spaces. We can map the new line, by the new line, the things. And we have to, we should calculate some of the calculations. And what is exactly the question? How many ways can we do that? What is the combination? Yeah, combinations of content. Yeah. Cool. Okay. So the test should. What is this? So 1, 2, 3, 4. I can count things. So this should be 4 here, because we can read the things here, and we will know what the first thing is. And this should be 4. But it's still 2, so we have to come up with things. We should have read containers. We should read from a container. We should map them to something. Should be probably an unsigned thing. Maybe it was inferring or thinking about these things, but yeah, we have to throw away, hopefully, the negative numbers, and we collected all of the things. So we should do. The whole combination is, believe me or not, but it is coming from. It's called. What is it? Combinatorics? Is that a thing in English as a phrase? Combinatorics. Yeah. This thing. Ooh, yeah. So we need that thing. It was a really scientific explanation. So we need all the combination, probably not counting the multiplications. What the heck? I mean, it might be the case though. Implement solvable. Okay. I32. Yeah, we cannot zoom it because it's not the same. Maybe we have to get the reference here and there. Yeah, not yet. Can we differ? No. Let's get rid of this thing. But probably, I mean, we need something pretty similar to this. Oh my god. Okay, so we should come up with I don't know, get combinations, something like this. Yeah, looking good, and we should probably fix this thing. So we should come up with some sort of combinations, and we wanted to know wherever the whole combination of or usage of the containers that are mentioned will fulfill the predicate that it should be, I mean, those should be full and be equal the sum of the values. What's the issue here? Isn't just sum? So combination is a vector. We can do an iter here, but I'm not sure about the sum. We have sum 1 as well. Iter sum, and yeah, it should infer the type. We don't really care. Combinations iter into filter collect. We are interested what? In the length of this thing. What's your issue? Yeah, we should feed that. I mean, we should add some type here. Yeah, looking good. We expect the vector. Oh yeah, we can return with that thing as well. What's your issue? Okay. So we've been filtering these things, and we can return with references as well, right? Am I correct? What's your issue? What's your issue? Or maybe we should own those along the. Oh my god, that's a chunky error message. But we might say that map combination iter product. Why would anyone do that? I just want to grab the reference of it. Like this. So this is the combination map. Yeah, it's not known here. We can do a filter map as well. Vector of U64. Yep, cannot be built from. So this thing is not the same, actually, and it makes sense. Get combinations, but it should be only. What are we looking for eventually? So this whole get combinations, let's create a new one. We should go through the container things. Okay, then do something else. So for in 1 to the length of the containers. We should combination over the combinations, and we should calculate everything, and we should return the combinations. Yeah, we should not cast this thing. It should infer the type of this something. Looking good. And it just says this is not this. Oh, what? Wait. Let's say that this is exactly what we need, like this. It will be angry here because it should be not too vague, but yeah, maybe we have to do here the grabbing. I mean, to create a clone. Yeah, we will see. Map, no. Mapper, yes. So we should put a closure here with this, and we should recollect it. Shut up. Yep. What's your problem? Yeah, maybe we have to do the whole thing here as well. Some yeah, and now we have to cast it. Okay, so we should get back with all the combinations that we can come up with. Is it the same? It should be because yeah, so we starting from the containers with one length, and we are incrementing or increasing those, and we are getting back the combinations with that size. It's just like a multivariant window-ish things, but you're getting the permutations, I mean the combinations with the different length words. So we should get only the combinations length, because those are the same which are met with whichever met these criterion, the only predicate that we were looking for, words again. So combinations, we want to read this thing. The first should be 150, because this is what is it? Get combinations rather. Yeah. Almost looking good. Yeah, so this is, it shouldn't be, I mean it should be, but we didn't do it like this. So let's go back to the terminal, let's run tests, and we will see if it's what was it, 4 or not. Almost. So we didn't update the test in the previous thing. Obviously I forget to do that. So let's go back to the 7th and 16th. Update this variable here. We should forget about this thing. So it was 0 instead of 4, which is quite unfortunate. What else should we do? So we should rather calculate why not? So the read containers should be good. I mean, those should be just lines and values. I will create one. What is it? Intermediate variable? What is it called? Yeah, and we will use the containers here. But before that, I will print it to be a bit more sure, because I don't want to run into a debug process. It's looking good. It should be the same as for the test. First test for 0, it should be 0, but it returned 0. So when we are using this something, so for combination, let's print this thing as well, why not? So yep, so these are the so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After that, give me a second. So this is prot false. It should be with the example, looking good. Solver first should call this. The containers should be good. So these were the first containers. Get combinations should be the bed cop here. Yes. Containers length, we should go through the combinations with that side. Maybe we will do a poor man's debugging here. Why not? There should be a lot of things here with all of the combinations. It's looking good. Yeah, maybe I should just run the the example first. So we don't need this nor this. It can have unused variables. So this group is obviously the combinations which are containing one containers. This is oh yeah. I mean, this is good. I mean, it's not counted as 2, so it's looking good. The combination of 3 is looking good as well. Combination of 4 and 5, this is looking good. What's the issue? Because we should have 15 and 10, so we have to add them together like this. What's your issue here? So the combination, so this is the combination. We should sum it, and it should, what? Wait, what? So let's move it down here. Let's rerun this thing, and let's see if we have at least a few. No, none of those. Okay, what's going on here? Okay, we will calculate the thing here. Let sum equals combination iter map sum. Yeah, we will recollect it. I know it's a bad practice, but yeah, recollect and just reprint. I don't want to debug. That's why we have to suffer. So the sum should be this. We will print it here, not summon. And this is not a sum, this is just the numbers. And let's go with the sum, which should be this. And it should be the numbers. And I don't know, we can do a fold, and we should init with 0, and we might say, yeah, maybe like this. it should be pretty much the same as the sum. Sum, and we should add the numbers here as well. Numbers, like this, and the sum. Yep. What now? So the sum is 20. It's good. Looking good. Oh man. Oh my god. Whew, my brain cells. So we need an amount here as well, and the first should be 25, and this one should be, it was 150. We have to go to this thing. What is it? Amount, which can be a U size. I can't remember. And we should put it here, and we should add it as a parameter. Amount, hue size, and the liter should be, oh my god, get combinations, thank you, and we should say as U64. Yeah, don't be angry, do it again please. Okay, question mark, that's a 17th, that's a pretty big number here. Oh yeah, we don't need you yet, but we wanted to see if this thing works or not. So we should have one error. Oh yeah, we should definitely delete this printing stuff, because first of all it's making things slower, and actually we can delete these things as well. Whew. Okay, there should be one error. Okay, number here, there, star, good, commit. But first of all, let's add it here like this. Let's add these things, git commit, fit AOC 2015, day 17, part 1. We're getting there. Cool. Part 2. What's the part 2? While playing with all the containers in the kitchen, another load of eggnog arrives. Oh boy, the shipping and receiving department is requesting as many containers as you can spare. Find the minimum number of containers that you can exactly fit all the 150 liters. How many different number of containers is wow. Cool. So we should use one additional thing, because we get the combinations, but we need the minimum. What is it? The minimum length. We should calculate the minimum length, and we is it only the minimum length, or how many ways can we? There would be 3, because what? What? In the example above, the minimum number of containers was 2. There were 3. Oh yeah. We don't need you. Nobody wants you. So there should be 3. So this thing should be 3. This thing should be something that we don't know yet. And we should provide the same numbers here, which is 25 and 150. Cool. We should go back here. We should have an amount as U64. Getting there. Nice. First try. Amount here and there. and we should use it here too. It should be pretty much the same, and actually there would be great if we wouldn't just add one wrapping function, because it's already giving us back all the containers, but we should get the minimum container. Yeah, we will see. Amount, and yeah, that's kind of it. We don't have this minimum containers thing. I'm not sure why you is not angry. Interesting. We need amount here as well. Now it's better. Words better. Oh yeah. Minimum containers. We should read container. Yeah, that's it. Easy. So we do. No, wait. What the heck? What is this? We don't need. Oh my god. There should be something easier, no? What? So, what this? Vector of vector. Yeah. So, combinations. Yeah, and we do have the combinations. Yeah, like this. Yeah. And modify or insert. Ooh. So the thing is, we should create one hash map, and we should know what get. No, that's not them. Or is it? Let's see. I'm not sure if it's calculating the number or the index of that. So hash map combination, we are adding things. Oh, and modify. Oh, yeah. It's looking good. It should return with something similar. I mean, not this, but the other things. No. This one, please. Question mark. Okay. 17. That's a nice number. We should try this thing out. Okay. Doing some combinatorics and stuff. Why not? We should try this number. 17. What a... Wait. That's the day 7. Jesus Christ. Nice. Getting there. So we are at the 17 from 24. That's almost 70%. We are getting there. Cool. Meet you in the next one.